Good morning everyone, or good afternoon. Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to talk about Nvidia, but probably I will start today with SPY. So guys, SPY, here we have that is bullish, so we know we have already resumed uptrend, and we have this bullish candle over here. Let me delete this one. We have a very bullish candle over here on SPY, and you see this candle over here. So this is very bullish. We cap up today. After on Friday we cap down on Friday, and what will be our next what will be going to happen tomorrow, because tomorrow is on Wednesday, and probably we may be seeing some pullback before resuming. So what I'm thinking about tomorrow, so we are talking about tomorrow guys. So we have this, you see this line, so we have been trying to break and stay above around 5, let's call about this area. We were looking to break and stay above 596 or so we have some slight resistance which we may be tested tomorrow morning. Before, I think probably we might be, I'm not sure if we have a Fed meeting tomorrow, but I guess we might be having a Fed meeting, and maybe today or post market we may be kissing this area, retracing back here. Obvious on Wednesday, probably most on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday we have a lot of stock will pull back. Most of Wednesday, if you on Wednesday, I can remember this is on Wednesday you pull back, and then on Wednesday, it's on Thursday, on Tuesday, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, some of these candles over here, and then when you see this, some recent days we have like these three, all of last week we will be coming down, and then we have already resuming, but we have to test some of this resistance. So something I want to deliver, and that's why Nvidia tomorrow will be out. It have earnings, and because Nvidia tomorrow it has earnings, what we are expecting tomorrow we can break this one. So probably daytime you should take your call. If I'm right, so if I'm right, you should take your call option maybe before market closing, or even before market closing tomorrow. Even me, like tomorrow I will not trade any options. I like to buy options, and if I will consider tomorrow to do something, I can consider to buy a put. This 2% is a lot for Nvidia, Apple, and we have this, you see this area, so we bounces on another this area which is almost 570. I was expecting 568, but it didn't reach there. But because it didn't reach there, and then on Friday I put my call, which is was expiring today. I put my call around here, so I didn't get when market was coming down post market. Remember, this is the post market, and then I took more than 100%. I sold some of the call around 570, 586. It was huge guys, you know. When you buy some calls, if you put some good money, you can make a good money on daily. So we say this is, we might be tested either before market or when market open, we might be testing this area. So we might kissing this area, but I'm sure market will calm down to around 584. So probably if Fed is going to talk tomorrow, I have to go to do my research. if Fed is going to talk tomorrow, we are expecting morning time. We can come to test the T1. We may become to test 104. So let me, if I can snap this one here, we might come to test it this area. So we can come to test morning, and then after Nvidia earnings. So that's why I'm waiting. Nvidia earnings, that is the will be the biggest thing ever we ever seen. So here, this I can put this on my flag. This I like to see morning to buy around this around 584, 85, 86, and then on Thursday we are expecting to break here because of Nvidia earnings, and everything Nvidia is going to raise like 8% if I'm going to Nvidia. But let me show you something before we start my chats on MACD here. So this is not this one, it was on I'm expecting this going to happen. Let me go down here. Yeah, on MACD, you see this MACD for our charts. Remember this one, guys, started all the way from here when market was reversing. You see this is from 574 to 591. That's a lot. So probably we're gonna see some pullback, some red. So when you see here, we didn't see any red from Friday. It was winning candles, and we are come to test this area, I've say. And if right now on post market, when you see, you guys, this is not a financial advice, so this is what I'm thinking. So we have already have some right now post market, before market closing around 6. So remember, this is the extended time, so this is always like. So we have this one, and it's telling you all of day tomorrow we can see red, waiting for Nvidia earnings. Okay, yeah, we are waiting for Nvidia earnings, and right now that's a simple thing. We don't have any sell signal, so we don't have any sell signal right now. So market still, yeah, we had like of this one. If you put from 574, we have a signal which is when it hit morning. So this way I sell it because it was enough for me, and I put another call, sold it before around 589. I was seeing this momentum was going to go down, and I was not with. I knew this was going here, but yeah, I was protecting my cane, guys. So yeah, I was protecting my cane and reducing my risk. And let's jump into Nvidia. There's a simple thing. Nvidia tomorrow will not move. You have already seen this consolidation. Even today morning, you see Nvidia was well, market open chamber 135, stay all the way 135. On the chart is so bullish, and use on MACD over here. This is a beautiful breakout. We are going to break this 186 very easy. So on Nvidia, I like it. Yeah, so these are things that I'm going to risk. I've already start my one of the call, which is very risk, and very risk small position buying. So I started with one of here, and I'm with the third. My third call dropped all the way, dropped like 60 to 70% tomorrow. So it was open one call, and because it's cheap, I spent like 100 and something, because I want when market's pulling back on Nvidia tomorrow, I'll risk, I'll buy cheap. Maybe I want to buy like 510 around with like $30 per contract. It's risky, guys. Remember, it's risky, and remember that on evil. I will look at break even for this thing to close around 5:30, 5:30, 7:38. So yeah, so everything this week, yeah, we are going to close a very on stock. We are going to close with a strong breakouts. Nvidia probably tomorrow. On Thursday, we are seeing Nvidia on Thursday hitting 152. Okay, weekly average is fine. We have this one hitting here, and I will not know what will go to happen next week. Maybe will be red. So guys, thanks so much and have a nice day. I've been doing small videos, not every day. I've been working to make money, guys, so you will see this one. It's good for you. Everything is moving outside. It's even like when spice bullish, everything is bullish. Bye, guys.